Today I am going to tell you about geometry. So geometry is a branch of mathematics that helps in studying about positions, shapes, angles, or sizes. So all these things we use to study in case of geometry. Okay, so we will not do this type of things. All these things are simple things and you have already known about these things. So let us go to the next page. So I will start with this page, that is point, line and ray. So that is a simple thing that is very important. So there is the difference in there, so we will learn in this thing. So what is a point? So point shows the direction of something. Okay, the point is, in case of here, this is the point, so everything starts from a point. Okay, so what is a line segment? A line segment is the straight path between 2 points. So it is a straight path and it has a fixed distance. Okay, line segment used to have a fixed distance. If it's a 5 centimeter, so it will start here and it will end here. So that is why we always, in a case of whenever you need to draw something, we there when fix distance, if you need to measure, we used to draw line segments, or length of something in a fixed length whenever it's given, so we used to draw line segment. But in case of, what is the difference between a line? Okay, a line a line does not have a beginning or an end. Okay, this one you can see, it can extend in this direction also, it can extend in that direction also. So it is also a line segment and it extends endlessly in both the sides. There is no starting point or there is no ending point of the line. Okay, so that is the difference. In case of line segment, you have a fixed length, but in case of line, it can extend in both the direction endlessly and there is no beginning or an end. But in case of line, they have a starting and a ending point. But in case of a ray is also a part of a line, but it starts at a point, but in one side it can extend endlessly, as you can see this row. So this type of line is known as a ray. Okay, so it has a starting point, but where it ends we don't know. But in case of line also, there is no ending and no beginning. But in case of line segment, you have an both starting and ending point. Okay, we will do exercise number 1, very simple, and they have given name this. I have already done, and let me show you what is it. Okay, the first one, you see they have an starting point, but this one showing arrow. So whenever this arrow is there, one side and one side you don't have an arrow, so this is the starting point, but where it ends we don't know, so it's a ray. In case of B number, they have a 2 points, so it started from here, so it ends in here, so it's a line segment definitely. But in case of C number, you see they have shown 2 arrows in this side also, this side, both this sides, so they used to extend, that means it extends in both sides, so only one figure, that is a line. Okay, so I think you can understood this thing. Question, that is 2 number, they have given count and write the number of corners and line segment in each figure. The first one figure I have already completed this, so let me show you what is a line segment and corners. So corners means these are the corners where two lines used to join. Two line segment when joined at a point is known as a corner. Okay, so this is the corner, this is the corner, this is the corner. So there is 3 corner in a triangle, and a line segment, how many line segment? 1 2 3, so that is 3. So in case of rectangle corners, you have 4 corners, right? 1 2 3 4. And the line segment, how many? 1 2 3 4. So like that for square also same thing, corners 4, line segment is 4. And in case of this figure, how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So sides how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So line segment you have got 5 and corners is 5. I think you have understood. Very simple. Next, number 3 given, join the points to draw as many line segment as you can. So you need to join these points. So first one I have drawn. B number, when you join you get a triangle. So this is one shape. So I think you can do exercise number is very simple. So with this I like to conclude and thank you for watching.